Weather with meteorologist TJ Springer, certified by Weather8 for the most accurate forecast in the Ozarks.
Yesterday's cold front did bring some changes, and namely a cool down. Didn't really have a lot of moisture around, but high pressure is going to build in briefly. But notice another storm system already looming to our southwest. This one going to really move in quite quickly and bring us increasing cloud cover through the day. Here is yesterday's front already moving toward the eastern seaboard. Some snow ahead of that in parts of upstate New York and Pennsylvania. We're not going to be terribly wintry, but seasonable nonetheless for our Monday as we begin to get closer and closer to the final days of 2020. In Branson, we're starting off with some cloud cover around. That's a live look over 76 Country Boulevard from our cam atop our bureau there. And we have a similar scene here in Springfield, glancing westward over Park Central Square, taking a peek outside your door, just 1 degree above freezing with that northerly wind nearly at 10 miles per hour, which is yanking some of that colder air into the Ozarks. Some of us dealing with calm winds, but you can see that north to northwest wind, namely around 5 to 10 or so, which will keep us seasonable today. We were so much warmer ahead of that cold front earlier on in the weekend, and now we're starting to focus on a little more average of a feel in the region. You can see between Springfield, Branson, -8, nearly 20 degrees below what we were feeling at this time on our Sunday. -20 in Clinton, even beyond that in Joplin. 17 degrees below what we were feeling in Harrison, Arkansas. Temperatures are in the 20s and 30s, mainly 30s. You can see the cold spot, Clinton at 28, freezing in Rolla, Camdenton, just 1 degree above, and Ava and West Plains is also freezing in Branson and Harrison at the moment. So it is going to be chilly. You'll still want to bundle up out there. Let's time out the rest of our Monday. You can see that thickening of the cloud cover. This is 3 o'clock. We're going to climb into the 30s and 40s. I think we'll have an overcast sky through tonight. And then we start to see this moisture move in. I think waking up to the potential for some freezing rain, maybe some sleet pellets trying to mix in. And as this low moves in, we're going to get some dry air to pump up into the color 10 viewing areas. That'll actually prevent a lot of moisture from reaching us aside from tomorrow morning. And then once we get into the afternoon and evening, we start to see more of that work on in from the west ahead of the cold front. And that begins to march in Wednesday, bringing another round of rain and some heavy rain, I think, as it works on through the area. But what comes next looks to be a little more wintry. And this one arrives behind the cold front Wednesday. So the cold air will move in, and then we're looking at a system bringing the chance for some wintry mixed precipitation possible New Year's Eve, changing to snow on New Year's Day. And there are some accumulations that are going to be possible. The track of the low is going to be key. So let's time that out. Wednesday's cold front there. It is maybe ending as a little bit of wintry mixed precipitation late in the day. And then this low moves up from the southwest. So we kind of see that changeover from rain to the mix as we head into our Thursday. But you can see the rain right there. So warm air going to try to overrun this, just like what we're dealing with on Tuesday. And then the cold air starts to move in, and that could change any moisture over to snow. But we're going to be really right on that line. Again, if we're on the northwest side of that low, we're going to be on the wintrier side of that system. If we're on the southeastern side of it, we're going to have to deal with more of the rain. So we're going to continue to fine-tune these details in the days ahead. 42 today. Going to see some peaks of sunshine early with clouds increasing through the day. 30 degrees overnight, mainly cloudy, going to be chilly. Our certified most accurate 7-day forecast does show the warming conditions as we head into our Wednesday. Falling temperatures, though, 37 Thursday on New Year's Eve. Watching out for that wintry mix lingering into Friday. We're back into the 40s by the end of our holiday weekend.